Hey, what's up, viewers and subscriber? You know it's your boy Tigo, and right now I have a little story to tell you all what happened to me night before last night. The night before last night is July the 17th, 2020. Yeah. It's like booms. Comes to viewers and subscribers. Till me attack, really me have to laugh about it, you see it, cause I never know something like that would happen to me. Viewers and subscribers, no doubt. After I come to booms, some thugs them fall upon the block, you call it a family. And things so they are using at night and thing. Bring pong, don't know, play some game, body going on lock in. I come stand up on my phone and go and easy back until about them 10:40 something there. I say, yo, Tiggy don't feel peckish. I come to viewers and subscribers, I come to rocking my fridge. You peckish mean feel like I eat a little snacks or something. I come to viewers and subscribers, I come to roll my fridge, I come to booms. I look in my fridge, I don't see nothing. I look round. I look. So here comes that cookie just jump out, so I don't know where it come from. Cookie just jump out. I come to say, booms, cookie. I say, cookie, you just dead at all. Come to now. Bosso take out one night, boss the bag. It's a zip bag like. Comes and pull out the bag. Take out one night cookie. And comes and mash it up fast down speed. Comes and slung back. And did it on my phone, I go on easy. I run through my Instagram. Yeah man, I run through my Instagram and thing. When I come to viewers and subscribers, I did it. I feel my head start at me. Then I say, yo, what is? Come say, yo, bams, did it? I get a beat and come and knock it so I say, Jesus Christ, what is? Come so back and did it. And I say, no man, I go up in my room, come so boom. Lock up the place. Go up in my room, go easy. They on the bed, yo. My bed does a spin, so I say, Jesus Christ, now what is? And I get up. And stand up, and I feel like someone hold on for me, and I say, yo, no man, this can't be something. I say, what is? And if I dop you hold me down or I say, no sir. Come so bams. Come back downstairs now, bruh. Viewers and subscribers, come back downstairs, I feel the same. So I say, alright now, I go up, go lie down. Come and go up, go lie down. I don't on the bed, viewers and subscribers. When I look, he bed a spin. He come like say me a sing right down in the right in the mattress. So I said, no man, what is? The ping comes so bumps. Go in the bathroom, comes and strip myself naked, go in the bathroom, run some hot water for me, then run some cool water for me, and then I kind of feel like ease up me and say, Jesus Christ, now Tiga, wait it to yourself, where you go take up? I come so bumps and did it. Did I easy now? I start feeling places, start get back again. So I come so, put on my clothes down, I drive and put on my clothes. Comes and walk up and I start march. And then yo, because I subscribe to the job some gospel song and say yo, feel like I eat this in a bro. I say yo, John, oh God, you know, I now go out, so I have no one youth. Now go out, so I have a whole heap of things to accomplish. You see something that go and bounce on some gospel song and I say go on. Preach and thing. When I come to viewers and subscribers, I come to bums. Nothing I run. I come and say, what is now? I come and call my aunt, I call my cousin to get to my auntie. And my cousin I say, yo, Tiga, this is the auntie, this is the mother because I do my ear. Now, I live at the end of viewers and subscribers. I say, Jesus Christ. I come so I'm lying on the bed. Become like everything blank out. I come and shake out myself so. I feel myself start come back. Did it till me start breathe short, my chest start burn me. Me just a burn me and thing, I'm come so easy. I come so and did it. Can't breathe, I'm come so. And text coming from front, I'm shake myself. Say if I can get up and stay so. Stay so viewers and subscribers. I'm come so bumps. Get your little vibes. I'm come so I come so answer my phone. Come so I answer my phone. Someone say come back. I'm lying up, come so I go down up on the bed because I feel weak. You can like me just go down right in the bed, so I come and jump up on the bed. Jump up on the bed, viewers and subscribers. Come so bums now. And did it. I come say, no man. No man. I mean I say Tigo. Or what? Like, it's like me I see myself. I mean I talk to myself. I mean I say, yo, Tigo, what you do? What you eat? What happen? What you drink? Me I say, yo, say to myself, say, yo, me eat curry lobster and white rice. And me I say, no, you're not allergic to nothing there, so. Me I say, me drink water. No, you're not allergic to water. Me drink drinks, not allergic to water. Allergic to drinks. So I come and start pencil, I start wipe my face, and I say, Jesus Christ, don't you eat? And did it? Comes up bumps. I remember I say, yo, me go drop in the fridge for your cookie. And I say, yeah. Whenever I eat this, or I get poison or something, somebody have to blow off of me and things. So I say, yo, stop talking about that, because I sing about it, I sing some praise and sing some gospel and playing on music, because turn on my TV and did it. So bums now, I come so my boy cookie, I remember say, yo, remember in a show with Ice Cube went and the man eat, then give the man the wheat cookie. And say man need to go on. The vibes. I tell you, yo, when I stand up, I have a vibe, it's a party. When I lie down, I can like I sink where I go in the bed. Like I just have, and some of the time I just have float, I get paranoid. Some of the time, the viewers and subscribers, I say, build back, come so. Like me, I feel me, I come so and shake myself so. Shake up myself so. So I come so, and bounce and come so, I make a phone call and call the lady. I don't call her name still, I see it. They don't know what things say. Comes up bumps and call the lady, and the lady comes up, booms. Then I talk on the phone till I don't know what go on. The phone hang up. Then revive back and start, get up firm and strong and comes and start shake up myself and start move, free up myself, and then I start feel like everything I come back in me now. Like everything. And call her and say, you know, I don't feel good. I don't feel good, man. And it like me, it come like, I say, I'm just a bone me. I'm just a bone me. I'm just a bone me. I'm just and she here and she say, what am you go? I say, oh, like me sick. Like more doctor and she say, what you? And I say, no, me eat something, me eat one cookie from out a cookie from out the fridge. Or me eat the cookie. Me did a little bit to me start feel aware. And I say, Tigo, cookie na a little zip back and I say, yeah. And she said, Tigo, you're frost. You know what is in the bag? And I said, no. But it look like one cookie, so I say, I take out one and eat can be feel little peckish. That mean feel like when I eat a little snacks or something like that. So I come and she say, Tigo, you're frost. She start laughing and say, oh, Tigo, you're frost. And I say, no, man. I'm not frost, I'm not feel good, man. I'm not feel good. I'm just a bone me. It's a bone me and I feel paranoid and I'm not. It's like, you know what you do. And she said, Tigo, just calm down yourself. Just go and go sleep with her. And I said, no, man. Every time I go on the bed, I feel like, say, yo, I sink a good on the bed. Like, I go on the bed and I said, no, sir. And she said, what? I said, no, sir. And hang up the phone, come so, bam, sir, hang up. Come so, did they, like me, I faint away. Did they, about 15 or 20 minutes, I don't know myself. And then, I come so like me a dream say, yo, Tigo, get up now, just get up. And I come and shake up myself, so. I shake up myself, so I call her back and tell her I don't feel good. Feel good and till nothing at all again. Everything blank out till I start hearing in my sleep. Boom, 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 Tigo. boom, boom, tiger, boom, boom. I'm come so bumps and shake up myself so Father God. I say, yo, viewers and subscribers, I'm shake up myself so. And say, Father God, please make this wear off of me. Come so and post the door. And he say, tiger get frost. And I say, what you talk about? I say, that cake, it's a wheat cake. Viewers and subscribers, this picture of me see, that is the wheat cookie. Let me show you now, this is the wheat cookie. Yes, viewers and subscribers, you see how the cookie look? Subscribers, then comes up bums, give me some ice water to drink and come so. And drink down the ice water fast. And she comes up bums and give me some ginger tea. And by the time she give me some ginger tea, I come so and lift up going to her bathroom. I say, yo, I say, Lego for me, it's a Lego for me. I come so bums and come up on the bed and she say, alright, drink some more water. I drink some ice water. And she comes and give me some tea and she say, Tiga, you got man. And by the time she says so, I say, eh? Right now, bathroom fly again, yo. I come so bums. And me did it. She said, lie down, Tiga, lie down. I come so bums and lie down. Lie down and feel my birth start get shot. Come here, heart bone me. I come say, yo, and say, no man, my body feel heavy, yo. I lift up my hand, she comes and say, tell her, I say, no, I don't feel good, Oh, I got doctor. And she say, Tigo, you got alright man. She start laugh and think. And then, her husband did and she say, yo, you say, yo, Tigo, you got alright man. Just keep a cool, man. Just focus on where you want to do. You have to take care of yourself and take care of yourself. What you have to accomplish. Think about that. And about focus on nothing negative. I come and say, I don't know how to do it. And I come so bumps. Did they say, oh, get up off it? He said, Tigo, sit up. I come so and sit up. I come so, I get up, I come so. I know when she wake me up, she comes and lick my face. I know I get up and I come so. I see my face, I see me just like my hand just barely I go towards the tea and hold it here and comes and hold the next hand and hold it tea. And I saw me drink and by the time drink it drop down back so in front of me. Tea will drop on me and I don't feel the tea where, yo. You know if the tea at her but the tea drop on me, I know say it flash out on me and I know I don't feel it. I come so bam. Come so viewers and subscribers. So viewers and subscribers, I'm there. Come so. It's like viewers and subscribers like me just like me there march and me see me stay so. I don't feel nobody go on this. Me not see nothing in front of me. Me can't see. Cause she there in front of me talk to me and advise me. And but all me no feel nobody does that one. Nobody that one. I me not see her. But everything me I see viewers and subscribers, he come like say oh me there on desert. I chat it. And me stay so. Charlie and she say, Tigo, warm tea now. And I say, no sir, I can't take it eat. It a burn me. And I say, warm tea is climbing on desert. And there's a march. She say, Tigo. I say, yeah man, me a march. And she comes and lick me and comes and revive up back. And shake up my body. And she say, oh yeah there. I say, I'm a good man. I say, no, I can't take that pressure. And her husband say, oh. Tigo, me ask some question, and I come so, with the car, bird get shot, and I comes and I beat my chest. And he say, Tigo, how you feel? He say, me ask some question, you feel paranoid? And I say, yes. You feel insane? Yes. You feel like, you feel weak? I say, yeah. He say, you feel like something, but number what he say, but. And I say, yeah, that's it. You pass it. Everything alright with it, but me I tell you, I'm lying up on the bed everything. Say yo, me have a 5 gallon bottle of water. That are the water them. The water, yeah, the 5 gallon bottle them. One of them there, I bust the night. And when time wake up back, a little bit of water just down at the bottom of my but half a gallon. Did it? Say viewers and subscribers, yo, it's a day. You see the whole day, That means yesterday I call it the 18. You see the 18, me feel mash up, me have left and go back to sleep. And till now, I kind of feel better today because everything kind of weird out a little bit, but she said if you just go and drink some water and think. But thanks to viewers and subscribers for listening to what I have to say and listen to the story of my life. Oh, viewers and subscribers, the cookie is a weed cookie, and the weed cookie, I not talk no bush weed cookie. You know, it's like ITAL grades. ITAL, I forgot. I was supposed to M something on it. I remember where it name, but viewers and subscribers, that's me no smoke weed no, but big woman thing that make me no want smoke weed. And it's the cookie from now. Me fear that cookie. Anyway, me see cookie, me even want to hear the name about cookie. To be how me feel. Yo, viewers and subscribers, I'm paranoid. That night there. Remember me tell you, I'm paranoid, I'm weak, I'm stressed. Yo, the thing we keep up, it's thinking about my son and what I want to achieve. When I tell me I think say yo, because viewers and subscribers, my mother dead. And when I tell me I feel like my mother will come in my room. To hear me feel like me gone on, yo, viewers and subscribers, me there one place, but my mind gone far, my body gone. Yo, I don't know. You don't want to feel it, viewers and subscribers. It's up to you, but I'm telling you, please don't try it. It's my first and my last. I will never do that again. First of all, I don't want any cookie. No cookie and no cake. As long as I bake, I need nothing with that. Big woman thing. That weed cookie is a cookie of long-term life with me. I will always remember that night and what happened to me. Viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you the truth. Story. All of them laugh at me and a bag of thing. Yo, viewers and subscribers, children, they don't know. They don't know what going on, but anybody who tried must understand what me talk about and the feelings we made it have about the weed cookie. Original weed. Hey, you think look a little bit neat, you know, viewers and subscribers, look a little bit neat. And I told you already, I'm going to show you the picture of it and make you see how the cookie look. Look ready, the color is mad. Yes, viewers and subscribers, you see how the cookie look? It's not far away, it's just night before last night, which 17th of July. So you know it's not long. It's night before last night. And right now, it was a similar upon the day after, my head a bust up, but you know what? Right now, I still look for us. Just look on my face and then we tell you. Big one thing is a lesson to learn. And I want to learn the lesson again for the rest of my life. I want to feel the way it paranoid, it, yo. You know, sir. But viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching my video. And please like, subscribe, and comment on TV_Tigo. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video.